have a droplet. Oops, this is so creamy. This one is not my favorite. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together a new collection by Essence, and this is a Good Vibes, Good Memories Trend Edition. I have in front of me a lot of cute products inspired by spring. They are cute and flowery. I think this is one of the most beautiful collections that they have released. They are super pretty. I am going to do a makeup look using the products from this collection, and also I will show you the swatches for all the products so you can see how they look on my skin and you can decide if you want them or not. We have a super adorable eyeshadow palette. It is so small. This is a Good Vibes, Good Memories eyeshadow palette in the shade Bloom Baby Bloom, and the Spring Awakening for the eyes. 9 beautiful silky eyeshadows in a mix of nude and brown shades provide everything to create a stunning spring inspired look. I have here the Follow Your Heart eyeshadow palette, and this is how small the Good Vibes palette is, so don't expect something very big if you buy this online. It is a very lightweight palette, very small and easy to carry around. When you open the palette, we don't have a mirror and we have some very beautiful flower designs. Bloom Baby Bloom again, and these are the colors that we have. I think we only have shimmery eyeshadows. That makes it not very easy for someone with hooded eyes to use the palette. Let's start with the palette, and with an eyeshadow brush by Essence I am taking the first eyeshadow that we have in the corner. It looks like a light champagne eyeshadow and it has a very nice sheen. I place it on my brow bone. Ooh, that's reflective. I'm going back and forth on my brow bone to blend it very well. That looks nice, it blended easily and I like the shade. All of the eyeshadows are shimmery, so I'm going to take some matte eyeshadows from this palette, the Follow Your Heart by Essence, because I have hooded eyes. I always use matte eyeshadows into my crease. If I use shimmery eyeshadows, my eyes look very puffy and I don't like it. From the Follow Your Heart palette, I will take this one here. This is the Choose Latte with an eye blender brush by Essence, and I buff it into my crease. I apply a second layer. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm taking this eyeshadow, and this one is a pink bronzy, and I use it on the outer part of my eyelid. This is a very pretty eyeshadow, and with this one you can also do a very soft smoky eye look. And I continue blending the edges. I'm taking some with my fingertip as well. Now you can see the color better. This is like a duochrome eyeshadow. You can see the pink sheen. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I am taking this lavender pink eyeshadow. It looks like it has a silvery finish. I'm tapping that on the rest of my eyelid. I also apply some with my fingertip. On the other side, I'm going to use it with a setting spray. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray. It smells so good. You can have the same effect if you use your fingertip or a setting spray, whatever works for you. And I am also going to apply just a little bit more with a smudging brush by Essence. I'm taking this eyeshadow. This one is an orangey gold eyeshadow. Super pretty, and I smudge it on my lower lash line. This eyeshadow is a lot lighter than it looks in the pan, as you can see. I have used 2 layers of this eyeshadow to look like this. After that, with the same brush, I'm taking this burgundy eyeshadow and I'm going to buff it on the lower lash line. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I'm taking this very light peachy golden pink eyeshadow. Ooh, it looks so pretty! And I'm diffusing it in the inner corner. This one is very reflective on the eyes. Let's continue with this bronzy eyeshadow. This is so beautiful. And with the smudging brush by Essence, I am taking the color and I diffuse it on the outer V of my eyes. Okay, so this one is not noticeable on top of the other eyeshadows. However, all the eyeshadows are blending nicely into each other, very easy. To define my lashes, I am taking this eyeshadow from the palette Follow Your Heart. This is the Chocoholic with an eyebrow brush by Essence. From this palette, I am missing the matte eyeshadows. Also, I would like to have a mirror because this palette is very lightweight and the size of it makes it very easy to have it in your purse if you want. These are the swatches, and as we can see, we have only shimmery eyeshadows. For a softer look, you can use these eyeshadows with a dry brush, and if you want something more intense, you can apply them with your fingertip or a setting spray. The eyeshadows are not as intense as they look in the palette. Maybe that's good for you if you want soft smoky eye looks. Let's continue with this mascara. This is the Volume Stylist Curl and Hold Mascara. You can find this one in the regular collection too. For this collection, it has a different design. We have a curved applicator. Okay, so this is how my lashes look with only one layer. I am going to apply a second one. I started not liking this mascara. The opening of the tube is not holding the excess product of this spoolie. If you don't take the excess product off by yourself, which is a lot, guys, look at this. The lashes look very clumpy, spidery. I don't like the applicator. It doesn't define my lashes nicely. The brush is not working. The tube is not working. Not my favorite mascara. With a regular spoolie, I will try to comb my lashes because they look so spidery and I don't like it. And clean my spoolie and again comb my lashes. And also, I don't have a very volumized effect, but I can see that my lashes are uplifted. This one is not my favorite. Let's continue with this palette here. We have such a beautiful design. It is a plastic palette. When you open this palette, we don't get a mirror. We get this plastic layer that says Love is in the Air. So pretty. I like that the pans of the palette are big and you can take the product very easily with your brush. The colors that we get are a little bit intense, I would say, and I like the colors. I just think they are very dark for me. I want to use this corally shade here and see if I can make it work. With brush 4 by BH Cosmetics, I am taking this corally shade. Ooh, it gives a very spring color to my cheeks. They are very pigmented. You need just a little bit of the product and blend it very well on your skin. This shade looks so pretty on me. The first blush is a bright pink satin. The second one that I have on my skin, it looks corally, but when you swatch it, it is like a baby pink color. And the next one is a deep corally shade. All of them have a satin finish. This one here is a little bit more shiny. This one that I have applied, it looks very natural on my skin. For this palette, I like that we have darker and lighter shades. Next, we have a duo highlighter. This is in the shade Shine Bright Bloom, and we have a beautiful flower engraved inside the highlighter. We get two shades, a darker and a lighter. I'm going to take the lighter shade that we have here and use it on my cheekbone. With brush 40 by Sigma, let's take some. Okay, I don't see something. It looks like a very natural glow. I prefer more reflective. I'm going to take also the darker shade. This one is more reflective, I think, but also darker for me. So I'm going to mix them together. Okay, now I can see the sheen. The swatches of the highlighters are very disappointing. They are not shiny or reflective. Also, I needed to apply a lot of layers just to show you the color, and you can still not see the colors. Okay, so you can see them on me somehow. On the skin they look very natural. They don't intensify my texture because I have some little bumps here. If you like this type of sheen on the skin and also the color, maybe you will like this product. Let's continue with a baked product. This is a baked blush and highlighter in the shade Spring Kissed. As you can see, this is a very dark blush or highlighter. Oh, the sheen is coming to you. Or to me, you know, I'm here. Ooh, that's reflective. So pretty. This is not going to work on me as a highlighter. It is very dark. And also I don't think it will look very nice on me as a blush. Okay, so let's try it. Well, I have a bunch of stuff on my skin. You can see that this one is more reflective. I have applied so many highlighters and you won't believe it, but I have one more. I will blend it some more because this is dark for me. I think it will be amazing on someone with a darker skin tone than mine because on my skin you can see the pink application. I also have this product. This is a liquid blush and highlighter. With this one we get a droplet and this beautiful color that I think it will be very dark for me. This is how it looks. It is very reflective and it has some very fine micro glitter. After a few seconds it gets completely dry and we have this peachy golden sheen. I'm taking a little bit of the baked blush and this is how it looks. This is darker. And let's see how it looks on top of the liquid blush. The color gets lighter if you use it on top of the liquid product. After that I want to show you the body mist and this is in the shade Spring is in the Air. It is a floral fruity fragrance. The subtle and delicate perfume is absolutely perfect for a mild and sunny day. Shake the bottle and spray it from a distance of 15 cm on your skin. And I have used this one again. It has a very fruity scent. We don't have any other information about the fragrance. For example, what fruit, what flowers. It leaves the skin with some very fine micro glitter. They are not very noticeable. You need to know that this one has some glitter. They are not even visible, the glitter. On me the scent lasts about an hour. After that it is fading. About the scent, I don't know what I am smelling. It is floral, but I don't know what it is. Give this video a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product of this collection. I think mine is this little palette here. You can watch here some more videos for Essence products. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell and I will see you in my next video. Bye!